Guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can upgrade, elevate your design with text gradient. So all you have to do is open your Canva and then try to search the apps. You can create new project here, a untitled design, and search on the apps. You can type gradient here. So in this type gradient apps, you can make your design pop with beautiful gradient. Just click open here. So this is what will you type. So this is, for example, sample text. You can choose the font, this one, for example, the alignment, the line height, the grade. This is the height, and then the gradient. Maybe you want to choose the green here, for example, sample text, and add the design. And this is the sample text. You can upgrade your font or your text with type gradient feature here. So you can custom fonts by click this some information. Here you can also change your fonts. So please free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and so click the button below. See you